Hi, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today, we want to talk about solar panels because they're a very hot topic these days, and they can definitely be a smart move for some homeowners. But how do they impact your home value when it's time to sell? That's what we're going to tackle in today's video: solar panels and selling your home. What you need to know before installing them. So let's dive in. So here it is, the big question. Do solar panels boost your home value? So here's the deal. Solar panels are often marketed as a great way to boost your home's value and make it more appealing to buyers. But the reality isn't always that simple. Whether or not solar panels actually increase your home's value depends on a few key factors, like your local market, energy costs in your area, even the type of system you install. While some buyers will love the idea of an eco friendly home with lower energy bills, others might not be as excited. So let's break it down. Here are the 6 things you should keep in mind before going solar, especially if you're thinking about selling your home in the future. Even if you're not planning on it, if there's a chance of a job relocation, something like that, and you weren't planning on selling, you never know what could happen. You need to know your market because in some areas, especially where energy costs are high, or sustainability is a big focus, buyers will see solar panels as a major perk. But in other markets, they may not carry the same appeal. That's why it's important to understand how buyers in your particular area view solar panels. If you're not sure, ask a local real estate agent like me. I can give you insight into what's happening in your market. Some buyers may not be interested. Just like swimming pools, solar panels aren't for everyone. Some buyers might love the idea, while others won't even consider purchasing a home with them. Does that mean you shouldn't install them? Not necessarily, but if you're planning to sell soon, keep in mind that solar panels could impact the number of potential buyers interested in your home. Mainly, you should focus on curb appeal. Nobody wants a home that looks messy or cluttered. Poorly placed solar panels or visible wiring can hurt your home's curb appeal. When planning your installation, make sure that you work with your contractor to make sure that the panels are arranged in a way that is visually appealing and as discreet as possible. The other thing is you want to own your solar panels. Do not lease them. If you're considering solar panels, owning them is almost always better than leasing. Why? Because buyers tend to prefer homes with owned systems. They see more long term value in them. Leased systems, on the other hand, can complicate the sale. Some buyers may not want to take over your lease payments, or they might be restricted by the terms of the contract. If you go with a lease, make sure it's transferable and hassle free for future owners, or you're going to run into a lot of problems. Also, check for transferability. If you've taken advantage of local rebates or incentives, find out if those benefits can transfer to the next homeowner because sometimes they can't. This could be a great selling point when you list your home, as long as they will transfer them. Be upfront with buyers about what they'll gain from your solar system, whether it's energy savings, tax incentives, or something else. But you also have to be realistic about the ROI. Are you really going to get a return on this investment depending when you're selling? Finally, let's talk about numbers because solar panels can save you money on energy bills, but they don't always provide a full return on your investment when you sell. So before installing, research comparable homes in your area to see how much value solar panels have actually added, if any. In many cases, the increase in value is only a portion of the installation cost. So manage your expectations. So here's the bottom line. Solar panels can be a great investment for the right homeowner, but they're not a one size fits all solution, especially when it comes to selling your home. If you're thinking about going solar and want to know how it could impact your home's value in your local market, reach out. I'd be happy to give you some personalized advice to help you make the best decision. These solar panels are costly. Sometimes, even if you're not selling your house, really check into how much savings you're going to get with these solar panels because you might not even break even on the savings for years and years. So there's a big hype about them. Just make sure you do your homework, do as much research as possible, even if you're not ever planning on selling your house. Do your research. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope it answered some questions for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, drop me something in the comments, like, subscribe, ring the bell so you'll get notified when I do more videos. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch. And I'll say bye for now and hope to see you back for another video.